Hello there. In today's video, we are going to speak about the updates that have come in the latest version of TalkBack, and I'm so excited for this because these updates are amazing updates. So before we get started, I would just like to tell you that you can follow me on my socials from the link in the description box, as well as you can contact me on my email address guidancefortheblind@gmail.com, all small letters and no spaces. And without further ado, let's get started. So the thing is that the first update that I would like to show you all is whenever now we get bold text, italic text, or text of different colors, we are getting announcements of how those text changes occur. So here is an example. So here I am on WhatsApp and there is this group open in front of me which has only admins can send messages. Now the thing that I discovered was that the thing which says admins can send messages is written in a different color than what is than the actual text itself. So how do I come to know this? So when I just touch this item,
only start color green, admins, end color green, can send messages.
So as you saw, start color green, end color green, that indicates the portion of which it is green color, or maybe bold or italic or underline. So you can check text formatting in this manner in the new version of TalkBack. Now in case if it doesn't announce for you, what you have to do is simply go to your TalkBack settings.
TalkBack settings. TalkBack settings.
Now go to verbosity over here.
Verbosity. Verbosity.
And here you will get an option of
speak text formatting for changes like bold and italic. On. Switch. 14 of 18.
Speak text formatting, and in your case it will be off. So you just have to double tap it to turn it on and then swipe right.
Text formatting options. 15 of 18.
Here are text formatting options which will basically let you customize what you want to hear. Like, do you want to hear bold, italic, underline?
Formatting option. Announcement style. Speech and sound. 1 of 10.
Announcement style is speech and sound, so you can keep it to only speech or only sound.
Announcements. When speech is selected. Radio button. Speech and not selected. Not selected. Radio button. Speech only. Not selected. Radio button. Sound only. 5 of 5. Formatting option. Text formatting announcements. Heading. 2 of 10.
And here we get the options of customizing what announcement we want. So if you want that only color changes should be announced, you can only keep those on and turn off the other ones. Or if you want only the bold italic things announced, you can only keep those on and keep the rest off.
Bold. Check. Italic. Check. Check box. 4 of 10.
And in this manner you can check or uncheck the check boxes from this screen. The second update that I want to show you is regarding the physical keyboard that we use while using our phone. So physical keyboard is basically how we would navigate our phone using the extended keyboard which we use with our laptops/computers, and the one which we connect using our phone, using the OTG adapter to our phones. And you can learn how to use that with your phones through a video that I've created, which I will link in the description down below. The amazing update that we can see here is that I will open a website over here, any website. So I'm just going to open a Google form that I've created.
https://forms.go/9p6u vise gqn9. Link. Chrome. 0%. Browse mode on. Audacity web.
So did you hear that sound
Detected.
where
Image.
it said browse mode on? Now this is an amazing update. Do you know why? Because now we can navigate through, our screen using single letter navigation, just like we do on our, computers. So you can press K to jump to links, and then you can click H to jump through headings.
Audacity webinar feedback. Heading 1. Email required question. Heading 3. Your name heading 3. Heading.
So I'm just
2 of
pressing
7.
H and I'm navigating through headings. I could press K and I have no links here, I think.
Terms of service.
it went to the very end, which is terms of service, and I'll come back on the top.
Audacity webinar.
I can also press E to jump to edit boxes and hear the sound that comes when you press this.
Your email address. Required. Edit box. 1 of 7.
So did you hear that sound, that clicking sound? This indicates whether your browse mode is on or off. And whenever this sound comes, it shows that you are in an edit field. And when you kind of go to the next item, then it's going to play this sound again, indicating that you have come out of the edit field.
Browse mode on. Chrome, Audacity web.
And it said browse mode on. So when browse mode is off, you can type, and when browse mode is on, then you can navigate through headings and links and lists and all those stuff just like you would on your computer. And this is an amazing update because earlier when we had the keyboard navigation where we had several commands which we had to remember to navigate through these elements, I could never remember those commands, and this is far better. Now you will not get this headings and all that stuff just by default. What you have to do here is you have to go to your settings. Okay, you have to go to your TalkBack settings.
TalkBack setting. New feed. Audio.
And go to keyboard shortcuts.
Keyboard shortcuts. 13 of 25.
You will get one keyboard shortcuts in your TalkBack menu as well. Please do not go from there. Go from the TalkBack settings itself. Okay, just open your TalkBack menu, click on TalkBack settings and go to keyboard shortcuts.
Keyboard shortcut. Key map. Choose a key map. Enhanced key map. 2 of 135.
And here we have choose a key map, and I have chosen the enhanced key map. Here you will have default key map chosen. So just click here.
Choose a key. Check. Not check. Check. Enhanced key map. Radio button.
And click double tap over here.
Keyboard shortcuts.
And your enhanced key map will be chosen. And now you can use these shortcuts to navigate through the browser. And this is an amazing update of TalkBack. And as soon as you choose the advanced key map, note that by default you would navigate using your keyboard using the Alt plus the right arrow key, right? So Alt right arrow would move to the next item, Alt left arrow would move to the previous item, and so on. However, this changes when you change your key map, and what happens is it changes, your modifier key changes from Alt to Action, and the Action key on your this thing would be your Windows key if you have one. So if you have the Windows key, then that would be your Action key, and you could use that plus the right and left arrow to navigate through your phone. And also we press Alt Enter to activate any item, right? So when you change the key map, what you will have to do is you cannot press Alt Enter, nor can you press Windows Enter, right? Because that is the logic which we might use, that like if we were pressing Alt Enter, then we could kind of enter into an item, and so Windows Enter would again activate the item. But no, it's not the case. What you have to do is press Windows space to activate any item. Also note that in some cases both keys might work. Like for example, you could also use the Alt left arrow right arrow and Alt Enter, as well as the Windows left arrow right arrow and the Windows space. So it depends, and in some situations both keys work. But when you choose this key map, note that these are the two commands, these are the changes that you will notice in your phone. There are also updates of TalkBack while using a braille display. So when you connect your braille display and use it with your phone, there are some updates of TalkBack with that as well, but I can't show you that since I do not have a braille display. What you can do is just go to TalkBack settings and click on new features in TalkBack. So after your TalkBack is updated, just click on new features in TalkBack, and it will take you through 7 or 8 pages I think, which is basically it's going to show you the updates, and you can go through that once, and that will help you out a lot. So that, guys, is it for today's video. Until next time, bye bye.
Hi everyone. If you like my video, so please give me a thumbs up. and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any doubt, then you can write it in the comments section down below. I will try to answer it soon. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.